Don Keating here from Ohio Weather, and we haven't done one of these updates for a while, but we've done one tonight because, frankly, it's a very interesting situation out there. Low pressure located on this map across northern Indiana, southern Michigan, but actually, according to the isobars and the pressure readings at the surface, central pressure 29.34, and it's located between Toledo and Findlay. Now, we put this map into motion. You can see how the isobars are shifting to the southeast. So the center of this low will probably move towards Worcester, near Canton, and over towards Slippery Rock, PA. It's got a couple of frontal systems associated with it. A stationary front, which is actually moving northeastward. So you could call that a warm front, I suppose, a minor warm front. But the more important warm front is this one. And when I show you the temperatures behind this, and it's actually probably up in this area now, it's really warmed up substantially. But on the heels of this is the primary cold front, which is being pulled southeastward as a result of that Alberta Clipper type storm moving off to the southeast. So, first off, let's take a look at the close-up regional state radar images, for lack of better terms, since I'm having trouble talking with my new tongue that I've got here. In northeast Ohio, we can see how the precipitation is progressing. Let's get rid of that pressure reading for you. I don't think you want to see that, do you? No, of course not. We tried to delete it, and there it goes. Now, let's take a look at the radar precipitation moving from basically west to east, and you can see some embedded areas of heavier snowfall. The blues and the darker blues, those are heavier areas of snowfall. Now let's pause the precip so we don't mess up the map here, and let's go to east central Ohio and show you what's going on with that area. It's also moving off to the east, and here in Cumberstown, which is right about in here, we had a burst of heavier snow earlier, but that's moving off to the east, as you can see. And it actually shows some actual rainfall. Is that true? Rain? Because it's so cold. I mean, it was in the low 20s for most of the daylight hours today here at New Cumberstown. So let's see if the temperatures have actually warmed up enough for pure liquid rainfall across portions of western and southwestern Ohio. It's even indicating rain across central West Virginia. And we will put the METARs into motion and your temperatures. And check this out. 45 at Huntington South Point, 43 at Cincinnati, upper 30s in southwest Ohio, even around Columbus Metro, warming up to 36 at the airport, 36 at Athens, 41 in Gallipolis. Parkersburg will be rising here soon. You can see Charleston, West Virginia, even at 43. So put this map into motion again. You can see why all that snow has turned into rain. Warm, but behind this cold front, you can see how your temperatures are dropping off. So that's what's happening. Nothing major. Synoptic snowfall, which will obviously change to rain. Look at this. Talk about a temperature difference. Just seeing this. 19 degrees up here near Ravenna to 45 degrees down here near Cincinnati. Quite a difference. It's about, what, 26 degrees. But anyway, this rain, where the snow will change to rain. And I don't think you're having any school problems in the morning. So that's the story on this one. Interesting. This low pressure really deepened. 2934, last reading I've seen on the METARs. Actually, I can show you where that was at. 993.6 up here. It was at 993.2, but now 993.6 at Toledo. So that means the low pressure is pulling away from it. Just be careful out there driving. These areas over here could pick up 1-2 inches of snow. Locally 3 inches, but I have my doubts on that. And if this warm front makes it through all of Ohio, a lot of the snow that's on the ground is going to melt away until the cold front moves through to keep the melting slowed down, if not stopped. Anyway, hope you made sense out of this weather report, because I sure as heck had trouble telling it. Until the next time, from the Ohio Weather Center, I'm Don Keating.